Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today our topic is subtraction. We have to learn about subtraction, what is subtraction, how we can subtract numbers, okay, and what are subtraction fact and many more topic we have to learn in this topic in this chapter. Okay, so let's come on topic, that is subtraction. Okay, firstly we have to know that subtraction is reducing number. Okay, and you have learned about subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction can be a smaller number can be subtracted from greater number. And now that is subtraction fact. Our first topic is subtraction fact. Subtraction facts. What are subtraction facts? Listen carefully and note it in your copy. Firstly is subtraction fact. The difference is always lesser than the bigger number of the two numbers. That means if there are two numbers, then the difference is always lesser than the bigger number of the two numbers. Okay, and this is not true is one of the two number is 0. Okay, once again you have to listen. The difference is always lesser than the bigger number of the two numbers, and this is not true is one of the two numbers is 0. In subtraction fact, the first fact is when 0 is subtracted from a number. In subtraction fact, the first fact is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the first fact is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. That means 22 minus 0 is equal to 20. We know that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, and now that is subtraction fact second. What is it? Listen carefully. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before or predecessor. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before or predecessor. Okay, that means 14 minus 1 is equal to 13, and you know that 13 is the predecessor of 14. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before, that means predecessor. Okay, as like 14 minus 1 is equal to 13, and 13 is the predecessor of 14. And now the next subtraction fact is when a number is subtracted from itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Okay, that means 13 minus 13, that is 0. Okay, you know that when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Okay, and now come on topic subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. Okay, that is firstly we have to learn subtraction subtraction without regrouping. Okay, and come on exercise 3.1. Okay, so let's come on exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. That is question number A is subtract. There are some question. 278 minus 149. Here will be 18 minus 9, 9, and there will be 6 minus 4, 2, and 2 minus 1, 129. That was question number 1. Question number 2 is 464 minus 326. 14 minus 6, 8, and then 5 minus 2, 3, and 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, the next is 603. 603 minus 295. 13 minus 5, 8, and that will be 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. That is 408. Question number 4 is 900 minus 550. 900 minus 550. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. And that will be 8 minus 5, 3. That is 350. Okay. Now common question number 5. That is question number 5 is 726 minus 332. 3 minus 3 is 0, and 12 minus 3 9, and 6 minus 3 390. Okay, and the next one is 723 minus 333, and the next question is 800 minus 521. 800 minus 521. That is question number 6. 10 minus 1, 9, and 9 minus 2, 7, and 8 minus 5, 3. 378. Question number 7 is 848 minus 170. 848 minus 172. 8 minus 2, 6, and that will be 14 minus 7, 7, and that will be 7 minus 1, 6. 676. And question number 8 is 906 minus 435. 906 minus 435. 6 minus 5, 1, and here will be 10 minus 3, 7, and here will be 8 minus 4, 4. That is 471. Okay, and now the next question is that is related to subtraction. The questions are write in columns and subtract. You have to write in columns, and after that you have to subtract them. First question is 124 from 325. So 325 minus 124. 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 1, 2. That is 201. Question number 2 is 407 from 525. So 525 minus 407. 15 minus 7, 8, and here will be 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. That is 118. And question number 3 is 185 from 554. So 554 minus 185. 14 minus 5, 9, and then that will be 440 and 4. 40 minus 8, 6, and 4 minus 1, 3. 369. Question number 4 is 294 from 294 from 687. 687 minus 294. 7 minus 4, 3, 18 minus 9, 9, and 5 minus 2, 3, 393. Question number 5 is 528 from 732. 732 minus 528. 12 minus 8, 4, and there will be 2. 2 minus 2, 0, and 7 minus 5, 2. That is 204. Okay, and the next one is, that is 398 from 864. So 864 minus 398. 14 minus 8, 6, and that will be 5, 15, and that will be 7. 15 minus 9, 6, and 7 minus 3, 4. 466. Question number 7 is 456 from 870. Okay, so 872 minus 456. 12 minus 6, 6, and that will be 6 minus 5, 1, and here will be 7. 7 minus 4, 360. Question number 8 is 217 from 928. So 928 minus 270. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. That is 711. Okay, and now the next question, that is question number 9 is, that is question number 9, where I should write question number 9. 596 from 978. Okay, 596 from 978. So 978 minus 596. Now we have to subtract 18. That will be 18 minus 6. Sorry, 8. That will be 8 also. 8 minus 6, 2, and 17. That will be 17 minus 9, 8, and that will be 8. 8 minus 5, 3. That is 380. Okay, and now that is your homework time. You have to solve exercise 3.1, and you have to solve all the remaining questions of exercise 3.1, and you have to more and more practice related to subtraction and write in columns and subtract. Okay, and you have to care of yourself, and that is you have to complete your fair copy up to exercise 3.1, and I have given its PDF form in your class group. Thank you for watching the video.